Yeah, sure, school and homework. It's important, but sports offer so many benefits. Physical health, self-esteem, mental well-being, social skills.
Very important things, right? Yeah. The key is finding that sport or sports that get a kid going. And for many of them, it may be cheerleading, but you never know until you try. And right now is the perfect time for a beginner class with Champion Force Athletics. We've got Lisa Connor. She is the Michigan Program Director with Jody and Alex. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Absolutely. Let's talk about Champion Force. Tell us about this program and who it's for.
So it's a program for everybody, boys and girls, ages 4 to 18 years of age.
Right?
That's everybody.
That is everybody.
Okay.
Right?
What does it mean to cheer? I mean, it's physical activity. There's a lot of lifting. This is like cardio, right?
Yeah, so our program focuses a lot on strength and confidence, and we also really promote physical activity and the importance of teamwork.
And let's talk about teamwork. I mean, because I think that's it. Because everybody, all teams rely on one another. But man, you're holding people up. I mean, you are really and have to work together and be in sync and do all the things. Let's talk about the growth that you see in these kids going through these programs.
I think one of the coolest things about our program is, sure, it's competitive cheerleading, but we focused a lot on the team bonding and really building up their skills and their self-esteem and their confidence. We have so many kids that start at age 4 and stay with us till age 18. So you can really see just from that fact alone that they really stay and grow with us from the beginning.
And kids, the parents of these kids are like, okay, you picked this sport, but can I get a scholarship and get you into college? Well, you guys actually do scholarships.
Yes, we do. We believe in supporting our athletes on and off the mat. And just this year alone, we awarded 10 students $12,000 in college scholarships.
Holy cow.
Right?
All right.
I mean, if that's not an incentive, I don't know what is, right? Oh, and let's talk about the coaches, and let's talk about, kids, you don't have to start at 4. You can start later. Let's talk about how this program works in that sense.
Yeah, so you don't need any experience to start. Our recreational programs, we always go over like the basics and fundamentals. So whether you're 4 and just starting out or you're a little older, like 10 to 12, we always go over the basics so nobody's going to feel rushed or like they're behind. And then we do offer more advanced programs if someone's been in the program for a long time and wants to be challenged a little bit. But all our coaches, no matter if they're recreational or in our elite programs, are held to a very high standard. Everyone has to go through a background check before they even get hired, and then every coach is concussion certified and first aid and CPR as well.
Yeah, and our elite coaches are also USASF certified.
My goodness, they got it all covered.
Right?
We do. We got all bases covered.
And the parents, obviously, they want all the information. How much of a commitment? All right, so I want to sign my child up for this. Am I going to be here for months, years, weeks? What's it look like?
So our beginner classes are 1 night a week for 45 minutes, and they are $10 pay as you go. And at the time you sign up, there is a $10 non-refundable registration fee.
I mean, how easy is that?
$10.
Try it out, right?
Yeah.
See if this is it.
Yes.
And then should it become it, right? So talk about the difference between the elite and the recreational and what you need to know there.
Ooh. Elite versus recreation.
So the elites, it's a little bit more demanding when it comes to like showing up weekly. It's a little bit more challenging with stunts. We do tumbling. With the recreational program, it's a lot more of like the younger kids just. I'm sorry, I'm panicking right now.
You're fine. No, it's all good. Having fun, right?
They're enjoying themselves, getting introduced and just having fun.
Yes.
Where the elite are more like, we mean business.
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Competitive.
This is super uber competitive. Show me. I can do a move, right? I mean, what's an elite cheer look like?
Oh boy.
You want to do this,
What
Jody?
are you
You
looking
just
for?
do a
I don't know
backflip
if we
off
have
this
room to
couch.
do like a toe touch or anything.
A toe touch, oh, yeah, wow.
A toe touch? No, thank you. We'll stay
Are you
seated.
sure?
We'll
Are
stay
you
seated
sure?
on the couch.
All right, well, let's
Just
see a
upper body.
Yeah,
Can we
let's
do
see a
upper
high
body?
V. Let's see a high V.
A high V.
Oh, Michelle's got it. Yes.
That's how you do
I'm
it.
not. I don't know what I'm doing, but that looks like a V.
to me.
Look like a V. So I'm there. You're
got
a big talker. Let's see your high V.
How's the high V?
There we go.
Of course.
And I had. By the way, did you notice where my?
Yeah.
See the fist?
Yeah, your big donut hole. That's what we call. Yeah.
I know how to. I remember listening when Daphne was in your class. I picked up some.
You
tips.
say your wife is a coach as
That's
well.
true,
So
right?
there you go. You got a little leg up. All right. So what do families need to know for these drop-in classes? They can just kind of show up. How does that work?
So you can register online at championforce.com. From there, you'll create a parent portal, and then you'll register your child for the class location that works best for you. We have tons of locations throughout the state of Michigan as well, and our classes are just kicking off now.
Now's the time.
Let's
All
do
right.
it.
Couldn't be
I already
easier.
got the high V down, so let's get the.
Right?
Yeah, you're ready to go.
It could be
The
just
toe
that easy.
touch, Todd. You got to work on the toe touch.
You
All
gotta do a
right.
little bit of stretching. ChampionForce.com. That's the website to go to. ChampionForce.com, and it's as easy as beginner classes starting as little as $10 to see if it's something you or your kids are into. Thanks for the time this morning, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.